Welcome back to my channel. You're applying oils, shampoos, masks, but still watching your hair fall every single day? Let me ask you one thing. When was the last time you cleaned your hair follicles? Not shampoo, not conditioner, I mean deep follicle detox. Because here's the truth, you don't have a hair problem, you have a follicle suffocation crisis. And in just 7 days, we're going to fix that, naturally. Why your hair isn't growing. Most people treat hair problems from the top down, using products on the hair shaft. But that's like watering dead grass without touching the soil. Let's expose something almost no one talks about on YouTube. The hidden crisis, follicle suffocation. Your scalp has over 100,000 follicles, tiny openings where hair grows. But in most people, these follicles are blocked with old oils, dead skin, pollution, sweat, and even fungus. Deprived of oxygen and blood supply. Covered in product residue that chokes new hair. This is called follicle occlusion, and it's one of the top reasons your hair refuses to grow. Hair can't grow out of a blocked hole, it's like planting seeds in concrete. But here's the truth nobody told you. Follicles don't die immediately. You can revive them, if you act now. That's why I built this 7-day follicle detox and hair growth challenge, and if you follow it, your scalp will literally feel like it's breathing again. 7 Days Hair Growth Challenge. Day 1. Scalp Reset, the Coffee Detox Scrub. 1 tablespoon ground coffee, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, or yogurt for sensitive scalp, 1 teaspoon olive oil or coconut oil. Massage gently on scalp for 5 minutes. Coffee equals boosts circulation, sugar equals exfoliates dead skin, aloe vera equals repairs scalp cells, coconut oil equals deeply nourishes scalp, castor oil equals stimulates root growth. Did you know? Hair follicles have tiny muscle fibers, this scrub reactivates them. Day 2. Follicle awakening oil, no castor, no coconut, only lightweight and effective. 2 tablespoons jojoba oil, 10 drops rosemary oil, 5 drops peppermint oil. Massage deeply for 10 minutes. Rosemary is clinically proven to grow hair like minoxidil, without side effects. Peppermint boosts scalp blood flow by up to 60%. Day 3. Heat plus rice water therapy. Rinse hair with fermented rice water. Wrap scalp with a hot towel for 5 minutes. Why it works. Heat opens follicles, right pointing arrow rice peptides penetrate right pointing arrow roots, get power boost. Unique fact. Fermented rice water contains inositol, it repairs damaged follicles from inside out. Day 4. Ayurvedic follicle feed. DIY mask. 1 tablespoon amla powder, 1 tablespoon fenugreek paste, 1 tablespoon yogurt. Apply for 30 minutes. This combo fuels follicles with vitamin C, protein, iron, antioxidants. Most people ignore follicle nutrition. This is scalp food. Day 5. Inflammation control plus serum massage. DIY serum. 1 tablespoon argan oil. 5 drops lavender or tea tree oil. Why? Because inflamed follicles shrink and stop producing hair. This serum cools, calms, and heals the scalp barrier. Day 6. Follicle shock treatment, trigger new growth. DIY. 2 tablespoons onion juice, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Apply on scalp for 30 minutes. Onion contains sulfur, which jump-starts dormant follicles. Aloe vera pushes the nutrients deep into the scalp layer. Day 7. Growth lock in butter. DIY mask. 1 tablespoon shea butter, 1 tablespoon coconut milk. Optional. 1 teaspoon black seed oil, for advanced users, warm, mix and apply as an overnight mask. Seals in the week's nutrients, hydrates follicles, and protects new growth. What happens in 7 days? Hair fall visibly reduces. Scalp feels lighter, less itchy. Baby hair may begin to appear near hairline. You'll feel better blood flow during oiling. Product absorption improves, meaning every drop works better. Follicles don't regrow hair overnight, but in 7 days, they can start functioning again. Stop wasting your oils and masks on blocked follicles. Start reviving your roots. Follow this 7-day hair growth challenge, and transform your scalp from clogged and lifeless to open, nourished, and growing again. Take your day one photo, and let's begin this transformation together. Like, save and share with someone who thinks their hair is dead. It's not, it's just blocked. Thank you for watching.